office that all of you have admitted that you love. It's just to show that dreams are valid.
We are actually here to celebrate Financial Hub new office space.
We've never had such a crowd coming to celebrate specifically Financial Hub, and I think there's a mistake I've picked along the way as most people were speaking. Most people are giving credit to I, Caleb, and Lawi. I don't think credit should only go to the three of us. There are very many people behind us pulling the levers for us to be where we are. Very many, amongst yourselves, including all of you guys who've come here for this.
Are you ready? A classroom, okay? This is huge. This is mad. Good job, guys. Then the office.
So today we're here because we want to celebrate something. We want to celebrate growth. We want to celebrate a success about our entrepreneurship story.
This idea came 5 years ago. Not now, this idea came 5 years ago. And we've been working towards it to make it happen now today.
I have walked with these boys throughout this journey. Through the first time they got the first office, to the second office, and finally to this one. But the resilience and discipline that these guys have shown, all I can say is if you have a dream, I'm sure all of us have dreams right here. These guys are the perfect example of the possible. Like whatever it is that you're trying to do, you can actually achieve it.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce Olive Kirote.
Okay, so when I was given this podium to talk, I kept asking Kina Caleb why, but they were like, you have a lot to share, so I might as well. How did I meet them? Well, I entered the world of teaching people about business, money, and crypto, and I stumbled upon Financial Hub. And they reached out to me, we've done a podcast together, and it's amazing to see young people build something from the ground up, especially where you're training people the knowledge that you have acquired about something. So what I'd like to say is congratulations, Financial Hub team.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations. You guys are going far, and I mean, moving from a 3-man office to a 30-man office deserves an applause. So guys. What I'd like to just say is, if you guys are looking to upgrade your skill level, because as much as maybe you have a career or a business, it's good to know and learn about skills. So definitely give them a shot, learn about Forex or financial markets, and add a new skill to your portfolio, because in this life, to be honest, your skills are what put you ahead. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you for coming and thank you for supporting them. Support them even after, and yeah, definitely subscribe to ONR as well. Bye. Guys, we have reached the end of this video. Please let me know if you liked it. Please comment down below your favorite shot or your favorite part of this video. Did you learn something from today's video? It has been an amazing day hanging out with the Financial Hub team. They brought ONR in, they welcomed us to their office, and I just want to wish you guys well. Please keep on growing, keep on hustling, keep on grinding, and guys, please go give them business, okay? Also, I want to give a huge Shout out to my amazing team, AM Digital, in association with Mtao Creatives. Guys, if you want your video to be shot the way mine was shot, from the shooting, edits, post-production, anything, guys, definitely reach out to them. They're on social media. I'm gonna link their details down below. I have loved working with you guys, and I want to give you guys your flowers as well. Thank you guys for watching till the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to anyone who you believe will have value. Also, guys, we are thinking of making this something, okay? ONR, AM Digital, and Mtao Creatives. We are thinking of visiting businesses in Kenya and doing this. So let me know down below which business you'd like us to go to. And yeah, if you also enjoyed it. Guys, I'm rambling now. I love you guys. I want to love you and leave you. Bye, guys. See you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye. Bye. Don't forget to start where you are. Use what you have and do what you can. Okay, guys, I'm for real going. Bye. Bye. Bye.